नमस्कार। अरूपा डांस एकेडमी अर्थात अदा की मैं एंकर सूत्रधार डॉक्टर विशाखा ठाकुर हर वर्ष की तरह इस वर्ष भी आपके सामने प्रस्तुत हूं और आप सबका तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूं। वैसे देखा जाए तो इस वर्ष बात कुछ अलग है। वो ऐसे कि इस वर्ष अदा ने 15 साल पूरे किए हैं और इसीलिए हम आपके सामने प्रस्तुत हैं एक अलग अंदाज में और एक अलग माध्यम से। वैसे आप सभी जानते तो हैं और मानते भी होंगे कि समय के साथ सभी को चलना पड़ता है, बदलना पड़ता है और जो नहीं चलता समय के साथ वह टूट जाता है, समाप्त हो जाता है। अदा ने इस बात को बखूबी समझा और इसीलिए पिछले 15 सालों से अदा का रूप निरंतर बदलता रहा है, अच्छे से बेहतर और बेहतर से बेहतरीन हो रहा है। आज हम 15 साल का महत्वपूर्ण पड़ाव पार कर चुके हैं और इस शुभ अवसर पर आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं एक खास कार्यक्रम। लेकिन उससे पहले आइए हम देखते हैं और सुनते हैं कि अदा के पास स्टूडेंट्स, अदा के सीनियर स्टूडेंट्स अदा के बारे में क्या कहना चाहते हैं। तो हम सुनते हैं अदा की कहानी स्टूडेंट्स की जुबानी।
Hi, my name is Antara Jadhav. I have been a part of ADA since I was 6 years old. During this journey, I have discovered the freedom of expression and storytelling through movements. Arupa ma'am has always been supportive of me. Throughout the many years of learning under her guardianship, many important life skills were learned. Practice, focus, dedication and perseverance being the most important. All the exposure obtained during the annual day practices, exam preparation and dance performances has helped me overcome stage fright, self-doubt and low self-esteem. Arupa ma'am, you will always inspire me to work hard and put more into my craft. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is Gyanvi and I started learning Kathak when I was 5 years old. Currently I am living in Manchester, learning Kathak and also able to pursue my dream. And Arupa Guruji was my first ever Kathak Guru. I still remember trying to make my Tatkar perfect, mostly to make her happy and also get a compliment of her. My favorite though has to be when we started rehearsing for our annual function. It was the best time and I think we all looked forward to it. Arupa Guruji has instilled a sense of discipline and patience within me, which is very important for any form of art. I'm so glad that I got to be a part of ADA completing its 15 years. My best wishes to Arupa Guruji. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Ketki Bhave and I am a Visharad student of ADA. On this occasion of the 15th anniversary of Arupa's Dance Academy, I would love to speak a few words. My question to you is, what is dance? According to Wikipedia, it is a performing art form consisting of purposefully selected sequence of human movements. But what exactly is it? After dancing for so many years, I finally realized that there is no one definition for dance. For example, a dog dances by stomping its forefeet alternatively, while communication is what bees do through dancing. Yes, it is very important for them. Similarly, what does it exactly mean to a human being? Well, for a human being, it is a medium to express his emotions or to relieve his stress. It is sometimes a reflex to emotions like happiness or sorrow. Well, I would like to conclude by saying a few more words, which is actually a dancer's poem. It is, Dear angel, ever by my side, be there today and tomorrow, my feet to guide. Help me dance high and light and free, so everyone will be proud of me. May the judges be fair and stage be spacious. In winning and losing, let me be gracious, so that every dance I'll remember with pride. And angel, please keep my ghungroos tied.
Hello, my name is Leher and I'm a Kathak Visharat student of Arupa's Dance Academy. I have been with this academy for over 10 years now and I'm extremely happy that this institution is completing 15 years in 2020. I'm tremendously grateful and thankful to my guru, Srimati Arupa Roy Chaudhary ji, for giving me such beautiful opportunities over these last 10 years. I've seen this institution grow from 2010 to 2020 in such a miraculous way. मेरे गुरु के टीचिंग्स, उनका डिसिप्लिन और उनका प्यार मेरे साथ हमेशा रहेगा. आई होप उनके ब्लेसिंग्स भी मेरे साथ ज़िंदगी भर रहे. हार्टिएस्ट कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू माई गुरु एंड दिस अकेडमी for achieving such a huge milestone in their life. I wish nothing but good luck and success to my guru and this institution for the future.
Namaste, I'm Mansi and I feel really proud to say that I was a part of ADA. My journey with ADA was amazing, especially with Arupa ma'am being my teacher. She is an inspirational teacher to all ages. It's really amazing to see how much dedication she has towards Kathak and that reflects in her teaching in ADA. And she is very encouraging, very patient, and she has a lovely way of giving corrections. And I really wish ADA grows more and more and inspires many other dancers out there.
Hello friends, my name is Shravani Apte and I'm a student of ADA. First of all, heartiest congratulations to the whole family of ADA for completing its 15 years. I feel so delighted to be a part of this whole journey. This journey of mine with ADA was not just about Kathak. It was an overall development of different values and skills such as dedication, discipline, teamwork and much more. The most memorable incident was the event of Samarpan. This great event helped me open doors to different experiences and different opportunities. It helped me grow a lot. This whole journey of Kathak was just impossible without that one person who helped me a lot, who contributed the most and who gave me so many opportunities. My guru, Nritya Alankar Srimati Arupa Roy Chaudhary. Thank you so much, ma'am. In 2008, I joined this academy with just an aim of pursuing my hobby, Kathak. Today, this hobby has turned into my passion. Thank you so much, ma'am, for helping me find my passion and making me a part of this wonderful journey. Thank you so much.